Morning, sir.
Good morning. How same to you? How are you? You are here already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can use this one.
This one? Yeah. So I was thinking you give me this your new car that you just bought. Yeah, it was this one I was expecting, sir.
I really want to change the color of that car. I want to spray the car around. Can you see the dent on the car?
Okay. Yeah, but sir, you know, for almost 4 years now, I've not been able to get to church. So if I arrive church in this car, you know, I'll come in a grand style. At least they will feel my presence.
But that's true, sir. I'll prefer to use this one.
Yeah. Sir, if you leave me, I would prefer this one, sir. Please, sir.
Okay. You can take it. Please drive safe.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
What's going on here?
Officer,
Good morning, sir.
happy Sunday, sir.
Same to you. How's the family?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Are you alone?
I'm alone, sir.
Please, you come down with your papers. I'll stop and search today.
Officer, please, I'm late for church this early morning. Let me just go to church, please. I'm running out of time, sir.
Sir, I'm sorry. Today is a general stop and search. Come down.
Osi.
What's going on here?
Young man, who is the owner of this vehicle?
Okay, it's for my friend, my neighbor. I had to borrow it to go to church this Sunday morning. I've not been able to get to church for years. I have to borrow it.
For your information, this car is a stolen car. We've been looking for this car for quite some time now. It's so fortunate that we've seen you with this car now. Can you please call him?
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Are you in church already?
No, I've not gotten to church. Oh. I'm still on my way to church, sir. When the police stopped me.
Police.
They said that this your vehicle is a stolen vehicle. I said, my Oga cannot steal. Hello? Kunyala. Let me call him again.
Fast.
You gotta trust man, Adam. Your eyes will see what your mouth cannot talk.
Oga, the number is switched off.
You follow us to the station for further interrogation, eh? Please, hand me over the key.
Hold on, let me call him again.
It's a movie.
Oga, it's not my car. Let me call him.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.